Tech drop. This is the tipsy tray. A tray designed so that it's almost impossible to spill anything on it. It works so well you can even do this with it. It can also be carried with one hand, so you don't need to worry about opening doors. It looks like magic, but it's just physics.
Hey.
This is the switch bot, and it's perfect for anyone who's tired of getting up to turn off their lights. Once connected to the iPhone app, you stick it below a light switch using the adhesive on the back, and then with one tap, you can turn the light on. I love it because I can turn my lights on from my bed, so I don't have to get up in the dark.
This is the smart trash can. It works by using infrared sensors, so the lid will open and close based on your hand movements. When it's time to change the bag, you press this button and it will start to compress what's inside, leaving you with a bag that's ready to take straight out. As you can see here, it even seals the bag for you by applying compression and heat, so really, you don't have to do anything. As soon as you've taken that bag out, it begins to line a brand new bag for you, so the bin's ready for you to use all over again straight away. It's pretty cool. And that's today's rather good thing.
Home gadgets you didn't know you needed. This is the craziest air mattress you will ever see. It has a metal bed frame and the mattress blows up and rolls out entirely on its own and automatically shuts off when it's completely inflated, so you don't have to be watching it while it's going. It only takes up to 4 minutes to fully inflate and has 3 different firm settings for you to choose from. It sits 24 inches off the ground, and when you're ready to deflate, turn the switch to the correct setting and let it do its magic. Now you don't have to sit on the air mattress to deflate it quicker, and you don't have to roll it up as tight as possible hoping it will fit in its bag. You will never dread sleeping on an air mattress again.